Attach the monitor to the machine body, connecting its main cable, control panel and data display lines. Put on the wheel to be balanced. Select different models according to different rhythm. Measure the A and D date with gauge. Screen displays the date automatically. Measure the data B with width caliper and import it manually. Press the Start button after the mode is selected. The screen will display the unbalanced date after the tire stops. Rotate the tire by hand until the red point occurs and keep it. Clip the weight onto the 12 o'clock position on both sides of the wheel. Then press Start button to repeat the whole steps until tire is balanced. After the date A and B A+ are measured, date A is the first position to clip. Date A+ is the second position to clip. Rotate the tire by hand until the red point occurs and keep it. Pull the gauge into the position which is required by the screen. Mark the position by IR and stick the weight. Then press the Start button. Repeat the whole steps until the tire is balanced. Put a 14-inch rim or balanced wheel. Choose N1 mode. Measure the A and D date with gauge. The screen will display the date automatically. Measure the data B with the width clip and import it manually. Press R button. 6 options will be seen. Choose option 1. Press Start button. Tire rotates. When tire stops, rotate the tire by hand until the red point occurs and keep it. Clip 100 grams weight outside of the rim. Press Start button, then self-calibration over.